I'm nervous. I want to destroy these numbers. I probably won't be posting this video. I'm just not happy with how it's going. What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. So in this video, I've been on TRT for 6 months now. So this is my 6-month video, and I want to try to do some fitness achievements here. If you've been with me for a while, you recall this video, the one that I did when I was about 2 months into TRT. And I was at that point injecting 150 milligrams per week. And in that video, I was using a variation of a CrossFit workout. And I did a lot of personal records, as you recall. Well, now 6 months in, I've actually reduced my dosage down to 125 milligrams per week. And if you want to know why, you can watch this video here, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. Okay, 6 months in, my energy's up, my motivation's up, my strength is up. It's better than it was before. In the previous video, I was using 20-pound dumbbells. In this one, I'm going to be using 25-pound dumbbells for my shoulder presses and for the squat curls. I was doing the pull-up section with just body weight. Today, I'm going to be, instead of using a weighted vest, because I don't have a weighted vest, so instead of that, I'm going to be using one of my children's backpacks and a 10-pound weight. This is a poor man's weighted vest. That's how I roll. So we're not able to do this at the same park as last time. We pulled up there, and there was a bunch of moms there having a picnic and all these children being loud, and so I was like, that's not gonna work so well. So we're here at just my neighborhood park. It's not quite as great, but we can make it work. So what I'm gonna try to be doing is matching or beating my previous numbers when I was using lighter weights. I do 2 sets here with a 5-minute break in the middle. I do 2 minutes of burpees, and then with no rest, I go into 2 minutes of shoulder presses, and I go into 2 minutes of pull-ups, and then I end with 2 minutes of squat curls. Not their technical name, but this is their technical name. I just don't, that's a long name. So I'm not gonna bore you with all my goals before. I'm just gonna post them on the screen as I'm doing them, my numbers that I've got to try to match or beat. All right. 2 minutes, burpees on the clock here. I think my number to beat for these is 32. I believe I've got to match or beat 32. What? I actually lost count as I was doing those. So I have to go back and see if I matched or beat the PR there. But now I have to go straight into the shoulder press. And yeah, I've got a kitchen timer. Somebody asked me once in my comments, what kind of phone is that you had? It's just an old kitchen timer, not a phone. Number to beat here, 28. Man, 24. Well, that's only 4 away from the goal. Gosh, they're not easy. 24. Whew, you should try these too, guys. You probably make it look easier than I'm making it look. All right, now I've got to go right into the weighted pull-ups. So there is 10 pounds in here. And I've got to try to beat 25 of these. So I wear it on the front, just helps balance things out a little bit. 2 minutes. Magnetize there. Yeah. I'm not really happy with that, but you know, I guess that's pretty close. It's definitely better than I was doing when I was at 2 months. Now that I'm 6 months in, if I've gotten this much better in 4 months, then that's good. You know, a gain is a gain. These are my least favorite. I've gotten a little bit better with my breathing, which has helped me with these some. So they're just so hard. Am I stalling? Maybe. Maybe I'm stalling a little bit. All right, 2 minutes. I gotta get 19 of these to match or beat. Okay. All right. Didn't do as good as I wanted to on those either. But still, stronger than I was before. Whew, these are hard. All right, I can take 5 minutes break now. See ya. So we're starting the second set now. I took a 5-minute rest and I'm gonna do burpees. I'm gonna do them on the grass this time because I was like digging a hole over there in the bark mulch with my shoes last time. So. 17. I'm really unhappy with this performance. Alright, we're gonna film these last ones, but I probably won't be posting this video. I'm just not happy with how it's going. Oh man, but I guess that's realistic, you know? Not everybody's Superman. Not everybody always achieves the goals that they want to make, but I guess that keeps you pushing and striving. Maybe I will post it just to show that, hey, I'm a real person. I'm not some super guy trying to sell you a product. Remember that product selling I did on that one video?
You want to look like me? Then buy my product.
Okay. The number to beat is 19. Well, hey guys, listen, thanks for watching. I hope that, if anything, you can appreciate having someone on YouTube who's just a real guy, okay? I'm 40 years old, I have 5 children, full-time job. I'm a lot like you. I don't get paid to work out for a living, like I think a lot of these guys on YouTube might. Oh man, anyway, please hit that like button if you appreciate me working hard and trying to make some goals. Thanks for subscribing also, man. What a great group I've got of subscribers. I really appreciate you. God bless. Peace. He just had a good point. He said, Dad, I think you should post the video. He said, just to show people that you're not just showing them the positive things about TRT only. You're showing them that, you know, you're real and TRT is not some miracle juice. And he's right. So just know that going in. Is it going to help you? Yeah, I'm stronger than I was for sure. But this just goes to show that, you know, just because I'm 6 months in doesn't mean I'm going to be exactly where I want to be. I'm going to have to keep working. And you are too. Okay? Just because you inject TRT doesn't mean you're going to all of a sudden meet all your physical exercise workout goals. It takes time. Welcome to the normal TRT community. Bye.